What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best FPV drone with camera on the market. We can jump straight into the video without wasting any time. Do check out the description for more info and its pricing. Let's begin with the top-rated ATTOP W10. Coming with the 1080p HD drone camera, this ATTOP drone will help you capture the precious moments of life without distortion from a new perspective. It has better picture quality than S20p and is more cost-effective than a 2K, 4K camera, and supporting multiple functions means it will make them easy to control. You can fly the drone by just throwing it horizontally, as it will unlock the blades and fly, and utilizing just one key can take off and land, while hovering it in the air can be done with the altitude hold function. Featuring 360-degree flip and roll will let you capture video or photos from any angle, which can be an added benefit for both beginners or experts, as they can have super extraordinary moments. And connecting with the ATTOP GO app via Wi-Fi will let you transfer images in real time and enjoy more functions by the drones for kids 8 to 12. Coming with 2 batteries, you can fly this camera drone for 8 to 9 minutes for each, 18 minutes in total. And apart from that, this drone also adds 4 propeller guards to protect the propeller blades. Next is Holystone GPS H7-110G. This H7-110G is a simple yet professional looking camera. It has a small minimalist GPS sign on the top, which is an excellent idea in my opinion. And at the corners of the drone, there are 4 propellers located with red and white stripes. Under each one of them are a bright LED for navigation. Its mounted camera can capture still photos and record videos at 1080p HD resolution setting, which is pretty good. And this camera can also be controlled remotely thanks to its GPS module. For a wide aerial view, you can adjust the camera upward and downward, while its field of view of up to 110 degrees can make it very easy to capture every tiny detail you need. Coming with an intelligent flight battery will let you fly this drone for around 13 minutes of flight time, and adding the carrying bag will make it convenient for you to take the drone out. Next is Sandrock U52. The Sandrock U52 comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera for adults and kids. You can take control of the drone quickly and easily with its one-key takeoff and landing, and utilizing the altitude hold, the drone can be in the air steadily than similar on the market. Featuring 2 speed modes like low and high means it is suitable for both beginners and experts, as you can switch different speed modes when the drone is in flight for more fun. And the controller can alarm with continuous beep sounds to call your attention to fly back the drone before it is out of control due to weak signal or low power. For smart photography, you can connect it to your phone, and you can press the button on the transmitter to take pictures and video to capture memorable moments. And these captured pictures and video can be automatically saved to your phone and share it on social media with ease. Next is HR Drone. This HR drone is a mini drone that comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera to take aerial photos and videos, featuring headless mode, altitude hold, and one-key takeoff and landing for easier operation means you don't need to worry about orientation, as with a simple press on the button, your drone can rise to a height or land. And for getting an enhanced flying experience, you can fly the drone by moving the smartphone up or down with gravity sensor, which will enable the drone to follow your phone's direction. While the trajectory flight function, it will enable the drone to fly along with the path you draw on the phone. With its built-in Wi-Fi module, you can exactly see what your camera sees with a live video on your mobile device via the app. And coming with 2 modular batteries means you can have around 40 minutes of fun time in total, while its modular battery is easy to change for kids and is safer to charge. Lastly, we have the Drocon Space Key. This brand new DC-014 foldable drone by Drocon Space Key can bring you a totally new experience. It is an amazing foldable drone that has an aerial fold and fuselage made of PA plastic, which is more durable than ABS, making it convenient for flying both indoors and outdoors. And featuring a 120-degree FOV wide-angle Wi-Fi camera means you can capture stunningly beautiful and crystal clear photos from the air. By pressing the button on the right side of the controller, you will be able to watch a live video stream and snap incredible panoramic shots with the FPV function on your smartphone that can even be shared with family and friends. While its flip and 360-degree rotation features of this drone will offer you limitless enjoyment. For operating, you can simply press this one button to take off and land with complete ease. And by pressing the one-key return button, you can return the drone back to where it took off when you hear the low power alert. In addition to that, this DC-014 drone also adds in a built-in barometer and an altitude hold function to provide stable flight at a fixed height until you manually make adjustments with the flight controller. And for control on the app screen, you can get controls for taking off, landing, one-key return, and all direction controls at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.